Hello guys, this is Angela Baez and welcome to the evolution of the desk. Back in March, I was looking for a place in which I could work. I started with the dining room. Bad idea. I freaked out, so as my father did. Then I saw my nephew's desk. He's not studying, but he didn't like that idea. After that, I tried to use my son's desk. Well, I bought it, I paid for it. He didn't let me use it. Then I tried to do it on my bed. Even the cat was giving me his support, but not a good idea as well. Then I had another problem, the chair. The first chair I tried was from the dining room, not a good idea. The second one, a second-hand, super cheap office chair, that came broken. Then I took my son's chair. He didn't think that it was perfect for me, and he was even willing to fight for it. Obviously, I couldn't win. But don't worry, it came my happy ending. I ended up having a really nice space with a huge desk and a comfortable chair to work from. Guys, I wanted to tell you my story just and also to remind you that we're going to have a really happy ending. Let's meet each other again when we have to see our faces again, showing the best version of us. Thousands of hugs, people.